We
Yeah.
everything is green, bro. Thank goodness.
Alright, let's see. Yeah!
Ah, we get to have fun with it, bro.
What a nice truck. Yes.
Yep. And then nice thing. That's why I'm gonna go up this this boulder right here.
Oh.
Ha! Oh, dang it! Didn't work.
Oh.
You can give it a drive if you want. I'll let you drive. I don't think you
Okay.
you drove yet, right?
No.
Alright, you can do it. Life is on your hands. Yeah,
Yeah, my life is on your hands.
yeah. Now you can see how jerky it is.
Yep. Alright. Whee!
Yeah.
It's like going 59 kilometers
Damn.
an hour. That's like, woohoo!
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's how you do it, man.
Oh, yep, there it is. Oh.
Oh, I'm so tired. We're so tired, like finding like all the parts, bro, and we managed to do it.
Yep. We accomplished 2 goals. We
Yeah.
found my clothing.
Right? In that
This,
truck.
best truck.
Oh.
Nothing. Oh. Oh
Yeah.
my God.
Ah.
So wacky.
Yeah. Hella wacky.
Woohoo. Oh. I don't know why it does that. Oh wait, have we checked up there before?
Oh yeah, no, yeah, we can check if you want.
Okay.
We can check before we call it.
Alright.
Yeah, you can drive it. Yeah, anywhere.
There we go.
We got swords, zombies.
Yeah, we got swords.
Nope, nothing. Just an MP5. I could just teabag on an MP5. See? Yeah! Teabag the animal too? Woo!
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Woo!
Yeah.
Alright, we can. That was funny. Yeah.
That was funny. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Wait, did you actually jump out this window?
Huh? Oh, no, 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 no.
Oh,
That's dangerous.
Oh, okay. I was like, whoa.
Alright, we can, we go and go somewhere else first. Yeah. Oh, we can see where you want to leave off, bro.
Okay.
Your call, bro. Your call.
I guess military?
Oh, yeah, sure.
I don't know where it is though.
You talk about the Trinity HQ or the military? Or
Military. Military. Yeah.
oh, or you want to be in the city or?
I was saying military.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
All right, I'll lead you the way.
Okay.
So, okay, try to turn around and okay, and like that. Okay, just keep on straight.
Great.
Or okay, oh yeah, head like that. Okay, there you go.
Whee!
All right, just
I'm gonna try to go as fast as I can.
yeah.
Yay. So,
All right, just keep heading that direction, bro. We get there in no time.
yeah. Oh.
Alright, turn a little bit to the left between those trees. Okay, yep. Okay. Yeah, we should be good. Just keep heading that direction, bro.
Okay.
And a little bit to the left, because there's a prison. Alright, and a little bit to the right. Alright, yeah, there you go. Just keep going straight.
Woohoo.
Alright, yep. Pretty good, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you can see the military now, bro. In front of us.
Oh, those buildings right there.
Yeah, yep.
Ah, wacky.
Oh!
Whoa!
Now
Oh my goodness.
you see what I mean, bro? By wacky.
Yeah.
Alright. We should finish it off?
Did we explore the military already? Or?
We did.
Oh yeah.
I'm ready to put it to an end, bro. Ready?
Okay, let's see this. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, wait. Okay. Oh wait. I'll do it far away. Okay.
There we go! Ah!
Ow.
Nah!
Wow.
Ah, we did it.
Oh, they do make some bull, man.
Yeah. That was worth it. Woo! Alright, I don't need a
It took
jerry.
like 50 bullets. Really?
Yep.
Oh.
I don't need this anymore. Screw that jerry can. Let me go pick some food on the way. Let me look around.
Oh yeah, I see.
Yeah. Can't go without food, man. Nope. Once we're done, I'll eat some fruits again. I just teared some today.
Ow. Nice.
Alright, show me them fruits. What a way to end it, bro.
Right?
But worth it.
Yeah.
Hey, your bike's still there, bro.
Yeah.
Red bike.
Red bike.
Yep. Man, I feel tired, bro. Like, I go out, the whole day, and then restroom cleaning, and what a day
Oh,
to end today.
I know, right? It was a busy day for you today.
Yep, Seattle, man. Oh, I found another black military backpack. Ooh.
Oh.
Alright, I'm gonna exchange it. Yeah, there you go, for the fun of it.
Oh. Really? No.
Yep, I did that. Alright.
Oh, is it a green one or something? Or...
Oh, it's a black one. Yeah, I still exchange it.
Oh. Oh, crap, I'm hungry. Hello.
Yeah, here's your bike.
Yay.
Alright, we can see where to spawn, bro. Where should we leave as our spawn point?
I guess here, if you want.
Alright. We can do upstairs.
Upstairs.
Yeah, right here. Maybe this'll do. Ha! What a way to end it, bro. Woo!
explosion.
Yeah.
And finding clothing and
So many
finding
things.
things for to create a good track
Ah,
and exploding afterwards.
yeah. Explosion.
Hey, how you do that? Wait. Oh, you just do X and 1, X and 1. Ah.
Like that.
Oh my goodness.
Woo! Alright, there we go. Yeah. Ah. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, good thing it doesn't hurt us.
Angel,
Because we're in group. Woo!
I can see the blood.
Hey, yeah.
Oh,
Alright,
goodness.
I think I'm done. Yeah. It's been fun, bro. Woo! Thank you guys for watching. See you guys and peace out.
See you guys. Peace out.
Yeah.